Welcome to our channel. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In this video we present information on the best brand name tires for winter driving. Winter is coming, and it's time to think about the shoes your car wears, tires. When the snow starts falling and the roads get icy, you need tires you can trust. That's why we're here to bring you the lowdown on the best brand name tires for winter driving. Yes, we're talking about those big brands that have proven their worth in the harsh winter conditions. Brands that have been around for years, earning the trust of drivers worldwide. We will discuss what makes a good winter tire and which brands you should be considering. We've got everything you need to make an informed choice and keep safe on the winter roads. Get ready to find the best brand name tires for winter driving. The impact of winter conditions on driving. Driving in winter conditions can be challenging and dangerous. Snow, ice, and slush on the roads can significantly reduce traction and increase the risk of accidents. That's why it's crucial to choose the right tires for winter driving. By equipping your vehicle with appropriate tires, you can enhance your safety, control, and overall driving experience during the winter months. Tires designed specifically for winter conditions. 1. Winter tires. These tires are specifically engineered to perform well in cold weather, offering improved grip and traction on snow and ice. The rubber compounds used in winter tires remain pliable even in freezing temperatures, ensuring better contact with the road surface. This results in shorter braking distances and enhanced control when driving on slippery roads. 2. Snow tires. Snow tires are designed to excel in deep snow. Their unique tread patterns with large, widely spaced tread blocks help evacuate snow and slush, providing better grip and preventing snow buildup. Snow tires also feature sipes, which are thin slits on the tire surface that enhance traction on slippery surfaces. 3. Studded tires. Studded tires are the ultimate choice for extreme winter driving conditions. These tires have metal studs embedded in the tread, which bite into ice and provide exceptional grip. Studded tires excel in areas with heavy ice or compacted snow but may be restricted or banned in certain regions due to the potential damage they can cause to road surfaces. Benefits of using winter tires. 1. Enhanced safety. Winter tires significantly improve your safety on winter roads. Their superior traction and grip help prevent skidding and sliding, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Winter tires also provide better control when accelerating, braking, and cornering, making your driving experience more secure. 2. Shorter braking distances. Winter tires are designed to efficiently stop your vehicle on snow and ice. The specialized tread patterns and rubber compounds allow for better grip and traction, resulting in shorter braking distances. This can be crucial in emergency situations when every inch counts. 3. Improved handling. Winter tires are specifically designed to handle winter conditions, allowing you to feel more confident behind the wheel. Their unique tread patterns and rubber compounds provide better stability and control, enhancing your ability to navigate through snowy and icy roads. 4. Reduced wear on other tires. Using winter tires during the winter months can actually extend the lifespan of your regular tires. By using specialized winter tires, you reduce the wear and tear on your all-season or summer tires, allowing them to last longer and saving you money in the long run. 5. Peace of mind. By choosing the right tires for winter driving, you ensure your safety on the road. Driving with confidence and knowing that your tires are optimized for winter conditions can make a significant difference in your overall driving experience. Factors to consider when choosing winter tires. Tread pattern and depth. When it comes to choosing winter tires, one of the most important factors to consider is the tread pattern and depth. The tread pattern determines the tire's ability to grip the road in snowy and icy conditions. A deep tread with large grooves and sipes helps to channel snow and slush away from the tire, improving traction. Additionally, a tire with a more aggressive tread pattern will have better grip on slippery surfaces. Rubber compound. The type of rubber compound used in winter tires is another crucial consideration. Winter tires are designed to have flexibility in cold weather, providing better traction on icy roads. They are made with a softer rubber compound that helps to improve grip and handling in freezing conditions. It's important to choose tires with a rubber compound specifically formulated for winter driving to ensure optimal performance. Snowflake symbol. The presence of the snowflake symbol on a winter tire indicates that it has passed certain performance criteria for snow traction. This symbol, often accompanied by the M+S, mud and snow, designation, signifies that the tire has been tested and approved for use in severe winter conditions. When choosing winter tires, look for those with the snowflake symbol to ensure they are suitable for snowy and icy roads. Studs versus studless tires. One decision you'll have to make when selecting winter tires is whether to go with studded or studless tires. Studded tires have metal studs embedded in the tread, which provide excellent grip on icy surfaces. However, they can be noisy and may cause damage to certain road surfaces. On the other hand, studless winter tires use advanced tread designs and rubber compounds to deliver comparable performance without the use of studs. Consider your local road conditions and regulations before deciding between studded or studless tires. Speed and load ratings. While winter tires are primarily designed for improved traction in snowy and icy conditions, it's still essential to consider their speed and load ratings. Speed ratings indicate the maximum speed at which the tire can safely operate, while load ratings determine the maximum weight the tire can support. Make sure to choose winter tires with appropriate speed and load ratings that align with your vehicle's specifications to ensure safety and performance. Top brand name tires for winter driving. The Michelin X-Ice Xi3. Michelin X-Ice Xi3 is one of the top brand name tires for winter driving. Known for its exceptional performance on icy and snowy roads, these tires are designed to provide maximum grip and control in challenging winter conditions. With a specially formulated rubber compound and advanced tread design, the Michelin X-Ice Xi3 offers superior traction, improved braking, and enhanced stability on winter roads. Whether you're driving on slushy city streets or navigating through a snowstorm, these tires will give you the confidence and peace of mind you need for a safe winter journey. Bridgestone Blizzak WS80. When it comes to winter driving, the Bridgestone Blizzak WS80 is a tire that stands out from the rest. Engineered with Bridgestone's cutting-edge technology, these tires deliver exceptional performance in cold weather conditions. The Blizzak WS80 features a unique tread pattern that effectively channels snow and slush away from the tire's contact patch, providing enhanced traction and grip. Its special compound remains flexible in freezing temperatures, ensuring excellent braking and handling on icy roads. With the Bridgestone Blizzak WS80, you can confidently navigate through winter's toughest challenges. The Goodyear Ultra Grip Ice WRT. Goodyear Ultra Grip Ice WRT is a top-tier winter tire that offers outstanding performance in the harshest winter conditions. Equipped with innovative technologies, these tires provide excellent traction, responsive handling, and reliable braking on ice and snow-covered roads. The Ultra Grip Ice WRT features a unique tread compound that remains flexible in low temperatures, enabling it to grip the road surface effectively. Its aggressive tread pattern with biting edges enhances traction and helps evacuate slush and water. If you want a tire that performs with excellence in bad winter weather, the Goodyear Ultra Grip Ice WRT is a smart choice. Continental Winter Contact SI. The Continental Winter Contact SI is a high-quality tire designed to conquer winter's challenges. Engineered with Continental's advanced technologies, these tires offer exceptional performance on snow, ice, and wet surfaces. The Winter Contact SI features a tread compound that remains pliable in cold temperatures, ensuring excellent grip and traction. Its unique tread design with deep sipes provides enhanced biting edges for improved braking and acceleration. With its reliable performance and excellent handling characteristics, the Continental Winter Contact SI will keep you safe and in control during winter driving. The Pirelli Winter Sato 03. Pirelli Winter Sato 03 is a top-quality winter tire that delivers exceptional performance in cold and snowy conditions. Crafted with Pirelli's expertise and advanced technology, these tires provide superior traction, handling, and braking capabilities. The Winter Sato 03 features a specialized tread compound that maintains flexibility even in freezing temperatures, ensuring excellent grip on icy and snowy roads. Its unique tread pattern with deep grooves effectively evacuates water, slush, and snow, enhancing overall performance. If you're looking for a tire that combines safety, performance, and reliability, the Pirelli Winter Sato 03 is an excellent choice for winter driving. Customer reviews and ratings. When it comes to choosing the best brand name tires for winter driving, it's not enough to rely solely on the claims made by the manufacturers. That's where customer reviews and ratings come in. By tapping into the experiences of other drivers, you can gain valuable insights into the performance and reliability of different tire brands in winter conditions. In this section, we will explore the importance of customer reviews and ratings and how they can help you make an informed decision. The power of customer reviews. Customer reviews provide a unique perspective on tire performance in real-world scenarios. These reviews are written by individuals who have actually used the tires and can offer honest feedback based on their personal experiences. By reading these reviews, you can get a sense of how the tires perform in various winter conditions such as snow, ice, and slush. Reading customer reviews also allows you to gauge the overall satisfaction level of other drivers. Are the tires delivering on their promises? Are customers encountering any issues or concerns? By paying attention to these aspects, you can make a more informed decision and choose a tire that matches your specific needs and preferences. Ratings and rankings. Alongside customer reviews, ratings and rankings provide a useful tool for comparing and evaluating tire brands. Various organizations and publications conduct comprehensive tests and assessments to determine the best winter tires on the market. These ratings take into account factors such as traction, handling, braking, and overall performance in winter conditions. By referring to these ratings, you can gain a clearer understanding of how tire brands stack up against each other. You can easily identify the top performers and narrow down your choices accordingly. Keep in mind that ratings are often based on specific criteria, so it's important to consider your own driving needs and priorities when interpreting these rankings. Finding reliable sources. When seeking customer reviews and ratings, it's crucial to rely on reliable sources. Look for reputable websites, automotive forums, and social media groups dedicated to winter driving or tire reviews. These platforms often host discussions and debates where drivers share their experiences and provide valuable insights. Additionally, consider reaching out to friends, family, and colleagues who have first-hand experience with winter tires. Their personal recommendations can be extremely helpful in guiding your decision-making process. Making the most of customer feedback. While customer reviews and ratings are an excellent resource, it's essential to approach them with a critical mindset. Keep in mind that individual driving habits, vehicle types, and road conditions can greatly impact tire performance. What may be a top choice for one driver may not necessarily be the best fit for another. Look for patterns and consistencies in the feedback you come across. If multiple drivers are consistently praising or criticizing a particular brand or model, it's worth taking note of. Consider the weight of these opinions and how they align with your own driving needs. Price versus performance. When it comes to choosing the best brand name tires for winter driving, one of the key factors to consider is the balance between price and performance. We always want the cheapest options, but it is important to bear in mind that the performance of your tires can greatly impact your safety and driving experience in winter conditions. In this section, we will explore the relationship between price and performance and help you make an informed decision. The importance of performance. In winter driving conditions, having tires that offer excellent performance is crucial. Tires with superior traction, grip, and handling capabilities can greatly enhance your vehicle's ability to navigate through slippery and icy roads. This translates to better control, improved braking, and increased safety for you and your passengers. The price factor. It's understandable that price plays a significant role in the decision-making process. We all want to get the best value for our money. However, when it comes to winter tires, it's important to strike a balance between cost and performance. While some budget-friendly options may seem appealing, they may not provide the same level of performance as higher-priced alternatives. Premium performance tires. Premium performance tires are often priced higher than their counterparts, but they are specifically designed to excel in winter conditions. These tires are engineered with advanced rubber compounds and tread patterns that offer excellent grip and traction on snowy and icy surfaces. They also perform well in wet conditions, providing enhanced safety and control. Mid-range tires. Mid-range tires offer a good compromise between price and performance. They may not have the same level of advanced technology as premium tires, but they still provide reliable traction and handling in winter conditions. These tires are often more cost-effective without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. Budget-friendly options. Budget-friendly tires can be a tempting choice for those on a tight budget. While they may offer basic winter capabilities, it's important to note that they may not perform as well as premium or mid-range options. These tires may have less advanced tread patterns and rubber compounds, which can result in reduced traction and handling abilities in challenging winter conditions. Making the right choice. When considering the price versus performance dilemma, it's crucial to assess your specific needs and driving requirements. If you frequently drive in areas with severe winter weather, investing in premium or mid-range tires can provide you with the performance and safety you need. However, if you live in a milder climate or only occasionally encounter winter conditions, budget-friendly options may suffice. Remember, your tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road, so it's worth investing in quality tires that can handle the challenges of winter driving. By striking the right balance between price and performance, you can ensure a safer and more enjoyable winter driving experience. Tips for maintaining winter tires. Proper inflation and rotation. One of the most important aspects of maintaining your winter tires is ensuring proper inflation and rotation. Properly inflated tires not only improve fuel efficiency but also enhance traction on slippery winter roads. It is good to check your tire pressure very frequently, as tires tend to lose pressure in cold weather. Refer to your vehicle tire pressure recommendation. The sticker on the driver's side door jamb, or the owner's manual will provide tire pressure information that is recommended by the manufacturer. Regular rotation of your winter tires is essential for even wear and prolonging their lifespan. This involves moving the tires from one position to another on your vehicle to promote uniform tread wear. Typically, A rotation pattern involves switching the front tires with the rear ones. By doing so, you can ensure that your tires wear evenly, providing optimal performance throughout the winter season. Storage during the off-season. When the winter season comes to an end, it's crucial to store your winter tires properly to maintain their quality for the next winter. Improper storage can lead to tire damage and reduced performance. Here are a few tips for storing your winter tires during the off-season. 1. Clean the tires. Before storing your winter tires, make sure to clean them thoroughly. Remove any dirt, debris, or salt residue using a mild detergent and water. This step prevents corrosion and keeps the tires in good condition. 2. Choose a suitable storage location. Find a cool, dry, and dark place to store your winter tires. Exposure to sunlight and extreme temperatures can cause the rubber to deteriorate. Consider using tire storage bags to protect them from moisture and dust. 3. Stack or hang the tires properly. If you have limited space, you can stack your tires horizontally, but ensure they are not in contact with a concrete floor. Alternatively, you can use a tire rack to hang them vertically. This prevents distortion and flat spots. Regular inspections. Regular inspections of your winter tires are essential to identify any potential issues and ensure their continued performance. Here are a few key aspects to inspect. 1. Tread depth. Check the tread depth regularly using a tread depth gauge. Remember, taking care of your winter tires not only ensures your safety on winter roads but also maximizes their performance and longevity. By following these tips for proper inflation and rotation, storing them correctly during the off-season, and conducting regular inspections, you can make the most out of your winter tires and drive with confidence in cold and slippery conditions. In conclusion, choosing the best brand name tires for winter driving is crucial for ensuring safety and optimal performance on snowy and icy roads. By investing in high-quality winter tires, drivers can significantly enhance their traction, stability, and control, minimizing the risks associated with winter driving conditions. When it comes to winter tires, several reputable brands stand out for their exceptional performance and reliability. Bridgestone, Michelin, and Goodyear are among the top choices for winter tires, offering a wide range of options to suit various vehicles and driving needs. Additionally, it is essential to consider key features such as tread design, compound technology, and seeping when selecting winter tires. These factors contribute to improved grip on slippery surfaces, efficient water evacuation, and enhanced braking capabilities, making a significant difference in overall driving safety during the winter season. Remember that investing in the right brand name winter tires is an investment in your safety and peace of mind. By prioritizing quality and performance, you can confidently navigate through winter's challenging road conditions with reduced risks and increased confidence. Stay safe and enjoy a worry-free winter driving experience with the best brand name tires for winter driving. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.